Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can take WordPress backups from your cPanel. This is a very simple process and I'll show it to you using both inbuilt tools as well as the manual process. So without further ado, let's get started. So open up your hosting account and go to cPanel. Here under the file section, you'll see the backup option. Open it and here you see three options. First is home directory, which holds all the files to your website. Then you have the database that you should download, and you can download your email files as well. So all you have to do is click on this button and the backup would begin. So this is the backup file that is downloading right now. I'll cancel it for now. And here you can click to download the database as well. Just like that. And after downloading these, say you want to restore your backups. So all you have to do is come back to this page and choose your files and click on upload. And this would restore your backups. And it's as simple as that. Now I'll show you the manual process for taking backups of your WordPress website. This process can be used for migration purpose or to restore partial copy of your website. Say like you want to backup or restore only certain parts of your system, then you can use it. Let me show you. Go back to your cPanel again. Under the file section, open the file manager. And under the database section, open your phpMyAdmin. I'll show you how to back up the database first. Come to phpMyAdmin, click on your database, click on export, and with the quick setting and SQL format, click on export. And this is downloading your SQL file. Let's say in future you want to restore this file. Then come back to your database, delete all the tables that we have here, click on import. And here select the file that we have just downloaded and click on import. Now talking about the files, open up your file manager, go to this public_HTML folder. Double click to open it. Select all your files, compress them into a zip folder. Give it a suitable name and click on compress files. Once your zip file is ready, you can simply download it. I've already created once, so I can just go and download this, just like that. So this is how you back up your database, and this is how you back up your home directory. Also, make sure that if you have to restore your files, do it in the same way as you downloaded them. Do not restore your manual downloads using the cPanel backup option, unless it is absolutely necessary. And that was it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.